watch it glow. Eggshells crack like a drummer's beat. Sugar rains, it's a snowstorm sweet. Cinnamon whispers secrets untold. The oven hums, it's a heart of gold. Sizzle hot, air's alive. In this kitchen I thrive. Forks and knives, a symphony, cooking up my melody. It's a normal tune for a recipe. A little chaos, a pinch of glee. Chop it fast, stir it slow. Taste the magic, watch it glow. Down, spin the bowl, spin it round. Spin the bowl, spin it round. Spin the bowl, spin it round. It's a normal tune for a recipe. A little chaos, a pinch of glee. Chop it fast, stir it slow. Taste the magic, watch it glow. A clink, a clatter, then nothing more. Steam rises, pots hum like a choir. No voice, no word, just tune. The whiskins under the moon. Chop, slice, stir, it's all in sync. The melodies, what makes us think. Oil dances, it sizzles and pops. Knives tap beats, they never stop. A sprinkle of salt, a shake of spice. Metal on wood, rhythm in hand. A kitchen's a stage, a cooking band. Time slows down, flavors expand. No voice, no word, just tune. The whiskins under the moon. Chop, slice, stir, it's all in sync. The melodies, what makes us think. Voice, no word, a symphony ends. A silent feast where taste transcends. Mute, no voice, just tunes remain. Cooking's music, simple, plain.
Chop, chop the onions sway. The rhythm of the